Hello friends, today we are going to study the nature of organization. In this chapter of principle of management, we will learn after reading and studying this chapter such as meaning of organization, characteristics of organization, types of organization, organizational goals, goal formulation, goal succession and displacement, problems of goal formation, changing perspectives of organization, etc. And today we will study the meaning of an organization. A group formed by two or more persons to achieve common object is called an organization. Simply, we know that an organization is a group of persons who work together to achieve their common goal, their common objective, their common purpose. They work together to achieve their one goal. An organization is formed under certain rules and regulations. However, some organizations may be formed voluntarily. Organizations may be founded in every sector. For instance, there are religious organizations, social organizations, political organizations, business organizations, etc. Many people work together in an organization and achieve a special objective. All the works in an organization are performed with coordination and division of labor. Each member is assigned certain responsibility and rights and authority with clear definition. Authority and rights are channeled at each level in hierarchical order. Working procedures, code of conduct, etc. encourage each member to perform work purposefully. Organization is the product of society. There are organizations all around us. We are born, grow up, and learn several things living in organization. So, organization has become our lifestyle. Nothing can be obtained or even imagined without an organization. Different scholars and experts have defined organization. Some of the definitions are according to Mooney and Raleigh, organization is the form of every human association for the attainment of a common purpose. According to John R. Schermerhorn Jr., an organization is a collection of people working together to achieve common purpose. According to Keith Davis, organization may be defined as any group of individuals, large or small, that is cooperating under the direction of executive leadership in accomplishment of certain common object. According to Chester I. Barnard, organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities of two or more persons. According to Amitai Egioni, organizations are planned units deliberately structured for the purpose of attaining specific goals. In conclusion, a group of people working together for the achievement of common objective is called an organization. Name of any organization can be given on the basis and nature of its work. Proper structure is formed in an organization where suitable persons are given certain responsibilities and proper working procedures and technical management are well arranged. An organization works in a dynamic environment to achieve a specific objective. So today we learn about the meaning of an organization, and we studied some definitions